Morning folks, Andy here and welcome back on board Potemkin. 2 days on the trot. It was a bit miserable this morning first thing. A bit of drizzle and a bit foggy and all that. But anyway, it's all burnt off and there's a glorious day appearing before us, which will be nice to be out in a bit. But just going to do a bit more on this, get it finished in fact. So I'm going to weld it all up. I've got a new channel I've just clamped on there, so that's the edge. Got that to put on, and then weld around sides, bottom, top. Put some stitches on the other side, and that should be it. Oh, then I will get a quick rub down with sander, and I'll get a coat of paint, coat of red lead, and that'll be that done. I've got my airstream on, and so it's had a day on charge, so I'm hoping it's going to hold some charge enough for an hour or so welding. If it packs in, I'll pack in welding, and because the new battery coming well early next week sometime, so I'll wait for that to fully weld it up if this packs in. But anyway, we'll give it a go and see how we get on. Right, just started welding and the buzzer's going straight away, beeping away. There's got to be more power than that in it, and then realised it didn't tell me it's low on power. It was telling me I need to change the filters because it's having trouble, you know, getting the airflow that it's monitoring. So it's telling me you need to change the filters so they're blocked, so there's not the airflow. So I've gone and ordered a battery, which is coming on after bank holiday, and it isn't the battery. But anyway, I've got some filters here, and at least now I've got a spare battery, so it will pack in one day. So all we do is change these filters in here. You have a big filter, which actually you can see all the black in there, that's all the dust it's sucked in. So that can go in bin. And you have these pre-filters. In fact, we'll try changing just the pre-filter and see what it says, because that is only black on the edges, the big filter. We'll stick the old main filter back in, see what happens. It could be the pre-filter was just that blocked, because it is there to take the majority of the dust. And that's it. Fine. That's low airflow. And that's off. What a clown. It even tells me on there change filter, it lights up. They tell you know, the good bits of kit these. So anyway, I've got a spare battery coming, and I've got plenty of pre-filters and replacement main filter. Let's get on with it. to level that top up a bit. It's leaning back, so I'm just going to get that sorted out and weld on the top. Right, just got this box section to stitch in, and that's it. Right, that's it. All welded along, up, top, down sides, box section stitched on, job done. That's it. Cream crackered again. Anyway, good job out of the way of that. So we're here to brush up, clean it up, and then we'll put some paint on it. That'll be after we've had a cuppa and a sandwich. I was showing you the weld here. This is what you get. You should get that standard of weld. That's a good weld, that, with these little sets. That's with flux cord wire. So if you can get a result like that, it's nothing wrong with that at all. People sort of dismiss flux core wire. I think it's not very good. It's a load of nonsense. It is. It's used on big structures, you know. They put buildings up with it instead of using the low height rods, which take a lot of looking after. They use this method, so it works fine.